So you got the purple iPhone 14 Pro and you made your first TikTok with it. Now the next logical move would be to walk down to the Apple store to get some cases. But the cases are a bit bland, they don't look that great, and also they're pretty much overpriced. Well, today we're going to take a look at two amazing cases sent by Faggot, and let's see in this video if it's worth it or not. So here are the boxes and let's pop them open. Awesome, so this is the black translucent case and it comes at $17, which means it's off to a great start already. We then have the wonderful clear case. So this one also comes at $17, which is amazing. And these cases are quite literally the same, and the only major difference and the major only noticeable difference is the color itself. But overall, they should provide the same amount of protection and style. So the translucent case has matte black railings and a frosted back panel, which looks really cool. The buttons on the sides have grips so it doesn't feel slippery, and the case itself sits comfortably on my arm without cutting into my skin like the bare phone. And all the things that apply to the black translucent case also applies to the clear case. And inside the case, for some extra grip, there are some grooves. If you run your fingers inside, you can definitely feel it. Also, in both the cases, the edges are raised for the camera bump as well as the main display. So this protects your cameras and your display from getting any outside scratches when you face it downwards. So there's always that level of inclination so that it doesn't get scratched by any debris. There's also a tiny cutout on the top of the display for that speaker that's been added in the 13 and 14, but wasn't there in the 12s. And as always, there's cutouts in the bottoms for the speaker as well as the charging port. And the case supports MagSafe and magnetic charging. Now let's move on to protection, which I know is a really big feature that people are looking forward to for a case, obviously. So the cases have a 3-layer bumper to soften the fall, and on the corners there are U absorbers as well, which can withstand a 12 feet drop continuously, which is really great. And based on my 2-week experience, these features actually work amazing. A feature I really appreciate on the clear case is the anti-fingerprints and the anti-yellowing. The anti-fingerprint sort of applies to both the translucent and the clear case, and it doesn't always seem to be true. I did notice a lot of fingerprints on it, and it sometimes got annoying, but the anti-yellowing seems amazing so far. I haven't seen anything, and I know it's a really big problem for many people who use clear cases. So addressing the pros and the cons, the final score I would give these two Faggot cases is a 90 out of 100. Which is a really amazing score. It does have some amazing features for such a great price at just $17. And I would definitely keep these and use it as my daily driver. And I'm probably going to stick to the clear case just to show off that purple on the iPhone 14 Pro. So I hope you found that very helpful. As always, I've left a couple links in the description that you can go purchase this translucent or clear case by Faggot. So if you found the video helpful, like this video, and if you want to watch more future content like this, subscribe to the channel and comment any questions and concerns, and I'll try my best to answer them. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.